Yep, hi all, just a very quick video. So this is the Porsche 356 sort of telescopic push rod tube, Roger Bray item. Seriously good quality, you know, definitely up on quality from your cheap sort of standard VW stuff. So you put the two O-rings on here, two O-rings on here. You then install this part here, push it on top of here, you know, down to here somewhere. Then this part here then goes, again according to the instructions here, that now goes into the engine block once you've obviously pulled out the old one. And then this part here then goes up against the cylinder head, and then of course it slots onto there. And then of course you then tighten up the nuts this way to obviously to expand it and push it into the engine. And of course it mentions all the instructions here, do not over tighten, and just have it so this part here is flush with the cylinder head. So I've just got a slight leak on one of my push rod tubes. It's got a big dent in it. So I wanted to do the job properly, sort of to do one of these as opposed to taking the head off, the engine out, the head off, replacing it with four with standard ones. So this is a quality piece here. So this is the engine here. So what I do is I take off underneath there, take off the rocker cover. Then I can hopefully take apart the middle part of the rocker assembly. And then I should be able to pull out the push rod tube, and then from underneath the engine through the heater exchanger sort of hole, hopefully I can crush the old pipe, pull it out, and then clean it all up, and then insert the new pipe, and then go from there. So yeah, we'll see how we get on over this hour, see if it's easy or not. Yeah, I hope that's of use, because I couldn't find anything online at all showing about these, and these are, yeah, these look seriously good quality. So yeah, beautiful, excellent. Cheers.